Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen using Wondershare Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Filmora application on my PC. And first of all, you need to create new project on Filmora. So here I'm going to click on new project and then I'm going to select record menu. Right here, select record menu, and then I'm going to choose record PC screen since we want to record our PC. Alright, and then here you can choose the ratio. You can select custom or full screen, and I'm just going to select full screen. And then before you start the recording, you can choose the location that you want to save your recording. Here I have already set the location. I'm going to save it to this folder. Okay, and once you're ready to start the recording, you can click on this red button to start the recording. Okay, and then you can press F9 to stop the recording. Okay guys, and now the recording is being started. And then I'm going to go to the Filmora, and if you want to monitor the recording, you can go back to record and then select record PC screen, and you will see the duration right here. And if you want to stop it, just click on this icon or you can press F9. And I'm going to stop it, and then the recording will be automatically added to our Filmora project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record PC screen using Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!